King Nation. It's your boy out of them back with another banger, man. Today, you know, I promise y'all gonna give y'all a little car video, you know, my new car. You know, even though the weather bad, but still gonna get the video out for y'all, you know. Cause that's y'all who I do it for. Whenever you ain't getting dark out here. But yeah, I'm gonna get this video started, man. We're finna make a little food run.
A true classic. Never goes out of style.
The sun right there, man. Well, like I said, we're finna make a food run, but it wasn't ain't gonna let me do now. Like I had started recording the video yesterday. I got some footage of the car. I got everything but the inside. But comment down below if you haven't seen the car, and comment down below, guess what kind of car it is. But if you follow me on my social media, which all y'all should be doing, you already know that. If you already follow me on social media, you already know what kind of car, how the car look. But I'm gonna go ahead and insert the video recorded, pre-recorded, so you can see how the car look on the outside. I'm gonna insert that now. So in the pre-recorded video, I really didn't get the inside, so I'm gonna show y'all the inside now. As you can see, it's Dodge Charger. See the details. It's all about the details. I'm saying about my work shoe right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see it. Details. Details.
You got your wish.
Yeah, you talking
Right
about
now, doll. Now sit back and learn from the master.
I don't know what the hell he talking about, but yeah. All about the details, man. Need to do a little clean up, but yeah. Yeah, man, like I was saying, man, I had to switch it up, man. You know what I'm saying? I still got the Camaro, man, that you've been seeing on my channel. But I guess I'm still now I'm just part of Mopar. So I'm still Chevy gang too, you know what I'm saying? Best of both worlds. But like I said, man, I'm trying to make a food run. See, that's not finna happen. That's not finna happen. So I'm really stuck in the car right now. But back on topic, like I said, I still got the other car. I'm still gonna do some more to that car. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that. But like I said, I don't really want to make this a car channel, so I'll probably still make the second channel or just post every now and then. Y'all let me know. Y'all comment down below what y'all think I should do. Should I keep posting car videos on this channel along with the other content, or make a second channel? But comment down below what kind of videos y'all want to see me doing, who y'all want to see me collabing with. Like I said, man, I'm back. This ain't no temporary thing. Like, I really needed that break, but But I'm back to the second video this week. But I said I want to stay more consistent, post more. But I need video ideas, and like I said, y'all comment down below what y'all want to see. Be sure to comment, like, share, subscribe if you ain't subscribed. I really want to do we want to roll to 5K. I want to do a giveaway once I reach 5K. But I might do a giveaway at 2K, so y'all go ahead and help me get to 2K. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, there's no reason you shouldn't be subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe. Like I said, man, I'm dropping number bangers all year long, man. And me and my boy Chucky, man, we out, man. Holla, make sure y'all subscribe, man.